Homemade chicken Alfredo. Ingredients: 1. 8 ounces, 225 grams, fettuccine pasta. 2. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 3. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 4. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 5. 1 cup heavy cream. 6. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. 8. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. 1. Cook the fettuccine pasta according to package instructions. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. 2. Heat olive oil in a pan and cook the chicken until it's no longer pink inside. 2. Remove and slice into thin strips. 3. In the same pan, add minced garlic and cook for a minute. 3. Pour in the heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. 4. Stir in the grated Parmesan cheese until the sauce thickens. 5. Add the cooked pasta and sliced chicken to the sauce. 5. Toss to combine. 6. Garnish with chopped parsley and serve. Vegetable stir-fry. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups mixed vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, etc. 2. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 3. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 5. 2 tablespoons honey. 6. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 7. Cooked rice or noodles for serving. 1. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat. 2. Add minced garlic and stir-fry for about 30 seconds. 3. Add the mixed vegetables and stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until they're tender but still crisp. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, honey, and cornstarch. 5. Pour the sauce over the vegetables and stir until it thickens. 6. Serve the vegetable stir-fry over cooked rice or noodles. Caprese salad. Ingredients: 1. 4 ripe tomatoes, sliced. 2. 8 ounces, 225 grams, fresh mozzarella cheese, sliced. 3. Fresh basil leaves. 4. Extra virgin olive oil. 5. Balsamic glaze, optional. 6. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1. Arrange the tomato and mozzarella slices on a serving platter, alternating them. 2. Tuck fresh basil leaves between the tomato and mozzarella slices. 3. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over the salad and season with salt and black pepper. 4. Optionally, drizzle balsamic glaze for extra flavor. 5. Serve the caprese salad immediately. These are just a few recipes to get you started. Enjoy your time in the kitchen and have fun experimenting with different ingredients and flavors.